Hey everyone, not the video I was expecting this afternoon, but I got sent a email this afternoon that just had such beautiful imagery and beautiful wordplay that I felt like it was important for me to share it. I really felt it, that I resonated with it, and I thought for any light workers out there at the moment, this is for you. So this is for the people who know that they're ascending on the planet. This is for the people who are letting go of everything they've known to this part in their life. This is to the people who are standing in that source of God, that chi, that life force, their light body, allowing it to glow and grow and ascend in this time, in this now time moment here on this beautiful planet of ours. So even though it feels like we've been standing in hell, we're in this timeline, we're feeling the dark. This is just to help to raise our energy. And I'm just going to use lots of the wordplay from this thing that I read this afternoon that I thought was just so beautiful. So this is for my light workers and anyone else who this can help. Okay, part 2.